We already have a blank slide. Pick a cloud, stretch its 3 point toward left, press Ctrl D to make duplicate, then again press Ctrl D to make third copy, 3 point of third figure, stretch them toward right, then place them over each other in this way. Then select all three, go to format, then select merge shapes and make them union. You get this final image. Now we change color. For this, first of all, we make no outline. So shape outline, select no outline, then shape fill, make change the color. Now we need a small cloud. For this we pick a small figure. There we don't need three small figure, and change color, make them no outline. Press Ctrl D to copy them, or we can say duplicate them. Now we give some shadow effect. So press on this small icon, you get format shape, go to shadow, then select this option, center one, increase the size to 106%, change shadow color to blue, this one. Now for center figure, shape fill to green, change color to green. For last one, change color to dark blue. For first small cloud, change color to red. Now we give effect of shadow. You select this option. For the shadow, increase some transparency, increase size to 103%. Now go to green cloud, select center one, increase size to 103%. Then last cloud, increase size to 103%, this way. Now go to insert, pick a text box, drag over the first cloud. Here I am typing heading. Press Ctrl A to select it and increase its size. Make it center, change its font to Arial blue. Then resize it. Press Ctrl D to make duplicate, copy it and paste here at red cloud. Here I am typing option 1, decrease its size, change its color to white, then pick another text box. Here I am type some text here. Press Ctrl A to select it, make it middle, increase its size, make it bold in this way. Then select both text box of a red cloud. After shifting a bit, select both of them and press Ctrl G to make them group. Now press Ctrl D to duplicate and paste over the green cloud. Change here option 2. Press again Ctrl D to duplicate, then paste it over last one. Here change the option to third. You get this slide. Now we see the slideshow. This is the final one. Please subscribe our channel for more videos and download this from description.